Welcome to Ganghwado, the island where time seems to stand still for 1,000 years. This place is not just an ordinary travel destination, but a site for deep cultural experiences. Our first step begins at Jeondongsa Temple, one of the oldest temples in Korea. Feel firsthand the history, faith, and meaning of community within the serene meditation and silence of Seonzen. Next, we visit the Goryeo Palace ruins and the museum, where you can directly experience metal movable type printing. Walk along the breadth of history while reflecting on what Ganghwa, once the capital, sought to protect. Explore the true taste of the island through fresh seafood and stories of fermented, salted seafood, discovering how people and nature are connected. Finally, take a peaceful walk along the Ganghwa Coastal Trail to a quiet cafe where you can spend time writing, drawing, and reflecting. A journey that connects nature, history, and oneself. Through rest and learning, this is the Ganghwado Cultural Exploration Tour. This tour offers a unique time only found in Ganghwa. You don't just see the sights, you touch and feel history come alive. The scent of trees, the sea breeze, especially meeting the local residents, is the highlight of this trip. Sharing their lives, traditions, and hopes for the future, you gain a new understanding of cultural depth. In this way, Ganghwa invites you to join the stories of the past, present, and those yet to come. Your profound cultural discovery is accompanied by Life World Tour,